Hey everyone, my name is Thomas. Welcome to my channel. This is the Ready to Form Voltron Part 6, Test Fit 1.0. Today we're going to try on most of the suit. I'm still working out some of the straps and everything else, so let's get ready to form Voltron. Here you go. For blazing sword! So there you have it. I still got some work to do, but I'm actually pretty happy with how things are going. I got to cut some length out of some parts, and I have to make the holes wider so I can get it further up my arm, and figure out how to not lose my helmet by looking down. Let's go, Voltron Force! Okay, so I managed to get the costume off. It took a little while to get it off because there's some things that were getting caught. So I noticed that there's a lot of things that I need to improve on. First off, is I need to make this hole here wider so I can fit my arm through it better, and then it can go further up my forearm so it's not hanging down as much. I also have to attach the other bicep, which I already have the lanyard on there. I just have to glue it on there. And what I was trying to do is when I did the form blazing sword, here is the blazing sword. I have it printed in 3 pieces. I had to glue some of these little notches together because it kind of broke when I was trying to put it together, but it's actually holding pretty well. So I also scaled this down because I didn't want the sword to be huge, because then it would have been like almost impossible to carry. So if I put on one of these hands like this, and something like that. Nope, gotta figure that out still. May not be able to do like many action poses with this, but got something. And I have some length that I need to take out of the thighs because they're pushing down too much on the shins, which is like hurting my feet, because the bottom of the feet are actually, they're not too bad. It's just that I have to make sure that everything isn't like weighing heavily on it. The chest, it fits fine up here. It's a little too wide, but if I was to make it any smaller, it would be way too small here. And I don't need to do that because I had to break up this chest and back into a lot of pieces. And I also still have to figure out how to attach the wings. I may just weld the wings on like through the back just so they're on there and they never come off. But that'll be after I get them all smoothed out and painted the way I want them to look. So that is it for right now. Thank you for watching, and please remember to hit the thumbs up to let me know that you liked the video.